To switch the heating cooling mode, you can either go to mode, choose the desired heating cooling version you need, or if you have hot water also, just pick between hot water plus heating or hot water plus cooling. Or you could simply press the symbol on the screen. It also brings you to the mode function. So switch to cooling, just press that and go back to mode. That's it. To adjust the temperature, press the temperature and just dial in 12 as the cooling set temperature, not lower than that. Press enter, so that's set. Let's try heating. .25, so that's set.